I would like to talk about digital marketing today. What's digital marketing? Digital marketing is the component of marketing that utilizes the internet and online based digital technologies such as desktop computers, mobile phones, and digital media and platforms to promote products and services. Its development during the 1990s and 2000 changed the way brands and businesses use technology for marketing. Digital marketing extends to non-internet channels that provide the digital media such as television, mobile phones, SMS and MMS, callback, and on-hold mobile ringtones. The extension of non-internet channels differentiates digital marketing from online marketing. Digital marketing channels or systems based on the internet can create, accelerate, and transmit product value from producer to your consumer terminal through digital networks. And there are multiple digital marketing channels available, namely, number one, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is perceived to not to be considered for a safe, reliable, and easy means of marketing through online platform. This is due to lack of reliability in terms of affiliates that can produce the demanded number of new customers. As a result of this risk and bad affiliates, it leaves the brand prone to exploitation in terms of claiming commission that is not honestly acquired. Legal means may offer some protection against this, yet there are limitations in recovering any losses or investments. Despite this, affiliate marketing allows the brand to market towards smaller publishers and websites with smaller traffic. Brands that choose to use this marketing often should beware of such risks involved and look to associate with affiliates in which rules are laid down between the parties involved to assure and minimize the risk involved. Number two would be display advertising. As term implies, online display advertising deals with showcasing promotional messages or ideas to the consumer on the internet. This includes a wide range of advertisements like advertising, blogs, networks, interstitial ads, contextual data, ads on the search engines, classified or dynamic advertisement, etc. The method targets specific audience tuning in from different types of locals to view a particular advertisement. The variations can be found as the most productive element of this method. Number three would be email marketing. Email marketing, in comparison with other forms, digital marketing is considered cheap. It is also a way to rapidly communicate a message such as their value proposition to existing or potential customers. Yet this channel of communication may be perceived by recipients to bothersome and irritating, especially to new or potential customers. Therefore, the success of email marketing is reliant on the language and visual appeal applied. In terms of visual appeal, there are indications that using graphics, visuals that are relevant to the message which is attempting to be sent, yet less visual graphics to be applied with initial emails are more effective, in turn creating a relatively personal feel to the email. In terms of language, the style is main factor in determining how captivating the email is. Using casual tone invokes a warmer and gentle inviting feeling to the email in comparison to a formal style. For a combination, it is suggested that to maximize effectiveness, using no graphics or visual alongside casual language. In contrasting, using no visual appeal and a formal language style is seen as the least effective method. Number 4 would be search engine marketing. Search engine marketing is a form of internet marketing that involves the promotion of websites by increasing their visibility in search engine result pages, primarily through paid advertising. Search engine marketing may incorporate search engine optimization (SEO), which adjusts or rewrites website content and site architecture to achieve a higher ranking in search engine results. Pages to enhance pay per click, that is PPC listings. Number 5 is social media marketing. The term digital marketing has a number of marketing facets as it supports different channels used in, and among these comes the social media. When we use social media channels like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, Google, etc. to market a product or service, the strategy is called social media marketing. It is a procedure wherein strategies are made and executed to draw in traffic for a website or to gain attention of buyers over the web using different school media platforms. Number 6, social networking service. That is a social networking service is an online platform which people use to build social networks or social relations with other people who share similar personal or career interests, activities, backgrounds, or real life connection. In-game advertising. In-game advertising is defined as the inclusion of products or brands within a digital game. The game allows brands or products to place ads within their game either in a subtle manner or in the form of advertisement banner. They are many factors that exist in whether brands are successful in their advertising of their brand or product. These being type of game, technical platform, 3D and 4D technology, game genre, congruity of brand and game prominence of advertisement within the game. Individual factors consist of attitudes towards placement, advertisements, game involvement, product involvement, flow or entertainment. The attitude towards the advertising also takes into account not only the message shown but also the attitude towards the game. Dependent on how enjoyable the game is will determine how the brand is perceived. Meaning if the game is not very enjoyable, the consumer may subconsciously have a negative attitude towards the brand or product being advertised. In terms of integrated marketing, communication, integration of advertising is digital games into the general advertising, communication and marketing strategy of the firm is an important as it results in a more clarity about the brand or product and creates a large overall effect. Eighth point is online public relations, video advertising. This type of advertising is in terms of digital online means or advertisements that play on online videos, for example, YouTube videos. This type of marketing has been seen as increase in popularity over time. Online video advertising usually consists of three types. Pre-roll advertisements which play before the video is watched. Mid-roll advertisements which play during the video, or post-roll advertisements which play after the video is watched. Post-roll advertisements were shown to have better brand recognition in relation to the other types, whereas ad context, congruity or incongruity plays an important role in reinforcing the ad memorability. Due to selective attention viewers, there is likelihood that the message may not be received. The main advantage of video advertising is that it disrupts the viewing experience of the video, and therefore there is a difficulty in attempting to avoid them. How a consumer interacts with online video advertising can come down to three stages. What are they? Pre-attention, attention and behavioral decision. These online advertisements give the brand or business options and choices. These consist of length, position, adjacent video content, which all directly affect the effectiveness of produced advertisements. Time. Therefore, manipulating these variables will yield different results. Length of the advertisement has shown to affect memorability, whereas longer duration resulted in increased brand recognition. This type of advertising, due to its nature of interruption of the viewer, it is likely that the consumer may feel as if their experience is being interrupted or invaded, creating negative perception of the brand. These advertisements are also available to be shared by the viewers, adding to the attractiveness of this platform. Sharing these videos can be equated to the online version of the word by mouth marketing, extending number of people reached. Sharing videos creates 6 different outcomes, these being pleasure, affection, inclusion, escape, relaxation, and control. As well, videos that have entertainment value are more likely to be shared. Yet, pleasure is the strongest motivator to pass videos on, creating a viral trend from mass amount of a brand's advertisements can maximize the outcome of the online video advertisement, whether it be positive or a negative outcome. The point number 9 is native advertising. This involves the placement of paid content that replicates that look, feel, and oftentimes voice of a platform existing content. It is the most effective when used on digital platforms like websites, newsletters, and social media. Can be somewhat controversial, as some critics feel it intentionally deceives consumers. Point number 10 would be content marketing. An approach to marketing that focuses on gaining and retaining customers through offering helpful content to customers that improves buying experience and creates brand awareness. A brand may use this approach to hold a customer's attention with the goal of influencing potential purchase decisions. Number 11 would be sponsored content. Content created and paid for by a brand to promote a specific product or service. Number 12 is inbound marketing, a marketing strategy that involves using content as a means to attract customers to a brand or product. Requires extensive research into the behaviors, interests, and habits of the brand's target market. Next is the benefits of social marketing. Allows companies to promote themselves to large diverse audiences that could not be reached through traditional marketing such as phone and email based advertising. Marketing on most social media platforms comes a little to no cost, making it accessible to virtually any size business, accommodates personalized and direct marketing that target specific demographics and markets. Companies can engage with customers directly, allowing them to obtain feedback and resolve issues almost immediately. Ideal environment for a company to conduct market research can be used as a means of obtaining information about competitors and boost advantage. Social platforms can be used to promote brand events, deals, and news. Platforms also can be used to offer incentives in the form of loyalty points and discounts. I think it's a very interesting subject on marketing, that is digital marketing, which should be utilized by any company or industry or trading unit to market their products at ease without involving much of manpower utilization or the advertising criteria, etc. I think you appreciate this digital marketing against the conventional marketing methods should be useful for you to expand your business explosively. Thank you very much for watching this. So kindly share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.